Today, while it is preparing to launch the Air handheld console, Ayaneo re-shows the Ayaneo 2, revealing new interesting details. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos, and if you want, take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. In the latest live, we shows the CEO of Ayaneo, Zhang, talked about the Air model, above all of its small batch production, shipment and release dates. After that, he has introduced the Ayaneo 2 with again the handheld gaming console on hand. I remember you that is already pre-ordered on official store at price of 2,999 yuan or $445 at exchange rate, and this is just one of the many handheld gaming consoles that compose the Ayaneo lineup. In fact, the entire series including other 7 models: Air, Air Plus, Air Pro, Ayaneo, Ayaneo 2 Geek, Next and the Next 2. You can find more information of the 2 Geek and the Next 2 in these 2 videos here on the top right. However, thanks to this new look, we allow us to see how, comparing to the first generation of Ayaneo, the new model has been renovated in all its points. On this new model, the designers of Chinese company will be able to give to players a complete clean body with 0 screw, thing which failed on Air model, but it have as a 2 screw visible. The console design is very impressive. The front of console is flat, feature a large piece of high quality glass covering all this side and the plus englobing hole, the all sticks, the pad, action button, the rest of buttons present and the display. Regarding this latter, the previous specification indicate the use of a display with 720p resolution, but now the screen was upgraded to a full HD, so 180p resolution IPS display. But at the intervention was also confirmed what we will find inside this model. The Ayaneo 2 will be mounted the AMD Ryzen 7 6800U CPU. The CPU in question has 8 core and 16 thread. On graphics side there is an updated Zen 3 Plus architecture GPU featuring 12 RDNA2 computer units. For a quick comparison, the GPU of Steam Deck presents 4 RDNA2 computer units less. For now, the other specifications remain unchanged, so the handheld will be equipped with 16GB of memory, 3 storage cards of 512GB, 1TB and 2TB. The whole is cooled by a double copper pipes its dissipation system, but according to as states the company, it should keep the console cool and guarantee in any moment the maximum of performance. In the Ayaneo 2 we refined all X systems developed by Ayaneo itself, including iSpace and Ayaneo OS. In conclusion, going to the most important facts of today. During the live, the shipment date and the release date of first batch of Ayaneo 2 have been announced. The first models will be shipped at the end of September 2022, while the delivery is set for October of the same year. Well, that's all for today. Waiting new updates. As always, let me know what do you think in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it with your friend and don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching, see you again next time.